CapCut has quietly been pushing out updates since this year began. By the end of this video, I'll show you every single one of them and how they work. The ones that have cut my editing time in half, the ones that I've used to actually demand more money from my clients because the edits are just so amazing, and the ones I personally use to edit on this channel and for my clients every single week. AI Remix. This is so interesting, but no one even talks about it. Look at these two videos right here. The same video. Literally the same video. It looks as if I'm always looking straight at the camera. But what's different? This is the original video here. Then this is the one I actually faked. So how did I do? Very simple. Come here, AI Remix. Change the room to a studio, to a creator studio. And that's it. This is so good. Look at the before and after. And also, it doesn't even take time. It's so fast. Like, this is an 8-second video. It took me maybe like 10 seconds. Like, it was really quick. I thought it was even going to take longer. So I just left it. It was so quick to get done. And yeah, this is so amazing. Like super underrated. I have to just put the video side by side so you can just see it. But yeah, this is literally how it is. Let me bring it here. Let me change this aspect ratio so you can actually see how the standalone video looks. So yeah, 16. So yeah, also, if you notice, I had to zoom in a bit because after I changed it, it added this black space. So I had to just zoom in a bit. But regardless, it's still fine. Like, this is really good. Look at this. And there's motion. That's the interesting part. So it's not like a static background. Like, there's movement. You can see the laptop. You can see the movements in the laptop. This is absolutely amazing. Multiple timeline. This is so underrated. So for instance, now just look at this video. This is a landscape video, 16:9, as you can see that's ratio here. But in the previous example, this is actually supposed to be a portrait, a vertical video. So if I come here and change to let's say 9:16, it fits properly. But then this one's actually out of shape. But there's this plus sign here. This is where the magic is. You can see new timeline. Once you click on it, you have a whole different timeline. This is so amazing. I can just copy this right here. Say copy, or just even cut it. I can just cut it. Come here to timeline 2, and I have it here. And I can just change this to 16:9, and it has its own private space that doesn't affect what I have here. So previously, let's say I'm editing like a YouTube Shorts category, and I'm also editing like a YouTube like a longer YouTube video or whatever. I have to like open a whole new project. But now you can see I can have my, let's say I can even rename it and have this on, let's say long form content LFC, and yeah, I can rename this, and I can have it as short form content SFC. So this way I can have like multiple videos and even like aspect ratio in one particular project. So this is just a whole new level of ease that CapCut has added to new timeline. AI media or AI video, whatever you want to call it. This is absolutely special. So look at this. This is a picture. This is a picture. This is a picture. And this is a video. I took 2 pictures and I turned it into this video. Why? Actually, my client wanted, I was making a video for a client and he gave me a specific location. And I was like, you know what? It's actually nice to have like a drone shot of that area. And that was actually the reason why I actually created this. So I didn't actually create it for this particular video, but I created it for a client project. So this is something that you can actually use to actually charge your clients more or whatever, because this is a drone shot for a client. And I just came here, you can see AI media, and it's simple. It's called Multiframes. This is actually new also, Omni reference. It's like it allows you like to reference things for your video. Let's say the style or whatever. It doesn't actually allow faces here. You can see real faces in uploads that are not yet supported. So you can actually reference face the way you can for, let's say, other things. But at least style, location, you can actually do that one for now. So yeah, multi-frames, very simple. I just brought in the first. Let me just bring in the frames now so you guys can see. I'm just gonna come here. Let me bring in, let's say, let me go to, I think I have them in downloads. Yeah, this is it here. So this is the first picture. Bring in this one, import. You can see. Then I'll bring the second one. So you must have at least 2 images. And yeah, we're good to go. You just click on generate. So you can actually even choose 720p depending on you. You can see total second is 3 seconds. You can actually add multiple, what's it called? You can add multiple stuff and it works. This is just amazing. It's so amazing for me. And that was it. I just clicked on generate and we went from having this picture to having this particular video. I don't want to do it right now because I actually don't want to burn my credits because, like I said, I use this for work. So I can't just waste my credits. Mask for color correction. I know you've all heard about mask. You click on your video, you come here, you see mask. Very simple. You apply it. Very simple. Yeah, but there's more to it. If you come to adjust, you see the option mask here. And it's like, wait, what? Yes. So let me just make it very simple for you. I come here and drop my saturation. So my video is currently white and black, which is a drone shot I made anyways. I just come here to mask and I click on this or this. I'm pretty sure you've seen all those transitions whereby like there's just like a transition with a color. So you can see you're gonna show like okay before and after. So you can just come here and apply keyframes at the beginning and just move forward a bit and just let's say let's move forward towards the side and just do this. You can see that. So we just have this. Then while it's going back, we can just do the same thing, apply this keyframe. Then by the time it gets here, we just pull it all the way back. So if you watch this, you can see we have here. So yeah, this is a very minor but very big change to CapCut. It's very funny because I don't know how long you've been using CapCut for, but it's something about CapCut. A very, very minor thing, but you cannot do it. Shapes. Now if you come to sticker, you come here, you can see where you have stickers. Come to shapes. You can now add shapes. This was never the case. You could never do this with CapCut. Like for you to create a shape, you need to like go to the internet, download like a rectangle or a circle or whatever, then use mask, then start editing it. But no, right now you can just see right here. So that you can feel is just basically what's inside. You can just activate the stroke. So you can change the color of the stroke to this. You can turn off the fill. So now you have a circle. Like you just circle this building. So you can see right now. You couldn't do this before. And multiple ones, multiple shapes. Like you can do different stuff. You can see. You can even draw whatever you want to. Like, you know what? I want this kind of shape. You pause here. I want to like yeah, like that. You click, done. Bring another one here. Yeah. I think I like this one a lot though. This one is so nice. Man. CapCut has really, really suffered. Because every time I remember, I couldn't do all this. Look at this. Look how interesting this is. So you can just create curves. I'm trying to create a Nike logo. Let me see. Let me bring this forward a bit. No, I'm not getting it. I'm trying to create a Nike logo with this. Let me bring it here. Yeah, we're good. Then we bring the other one here. You couldn't do this before in CapCut. You could not do this. I can just come in, then let's say for the fill, I just make it black. I think black works. It's not like the best Nike logo anyways, but like, yeah, just do it. What's Nike logo? Yeah, just do it. So just do it. So you can see. So this is an amazing thing you can now do with CapCut, creating shapes. It sounds very minor. It sounds like so minute, but you could not do this before. Honestly, you could not do this before. So yeah, play around with it. Smooth, slow motion. Quickly, let's watch these two videos. As you can see right here, you can see there's a jerk in this one, but it's moving slowly. And why is that the case? Why is it moving slowly? The same videos, though. The same videos. This was a video I actually created with multiple clips. So let me just start all over and actually show you how I got here. It's very, very simple. Very, very simple. So this is the original video here. The length of the video is what? 3 seconds. So the original video, it moves properly. And a bit of jerk at the beginning, but nothing too serious. That actually just happened while I was creating the video. But other than that, everything moves smoothly. Like everything moves very, very smooth. But the issue now is when I come to speed, and I slow down this video, I'll use this feature called duration. I just put on 10 seconds. So now I want my video to be 10 seconds long. But originally the video is what? 3 seconds, which means I've stretched the video. And because I've stretched the video, it's gonna start breaking. And why is it breaking? Frames per second. 30 frames, 24 frames, it depends on the frames you have. The more frames you have per second, the smoother your slow-mo basically is. So if you click on this now, you can see it starts to break. It starts to break. It's not smooth anymore, like the original video that we had. Like it had a smooth movement. So I'm just gonna duplicate this now. Duplicate. I'm gonna have one up and one down. So what I want to show you now is the new feature that will actually give you that smooth effect. Let me do it for the one down. And I come to speed. You can see here, it says what? Smooth slow-mo. Once I click on this, done. Automatically, this video we have down here doesn't have that jerk effect anymore. Are there other options? So we have optical flow also. Longer time and better quality. But let's just stick to frame blending for now. So now you can see both videos. You can see very smooth, no jerk like this one. This is absolutely underrated. Color correction, color match, and auto adjust. It saves you a bunch of time, especially if you're editing log. So you can see It looks very, very flat. This is a log footage anyways. It's not like my normal video that I show my iPhone. Those ones, they have colors already. But for this one, it looks very, very bland. And the reason is because it gives you more room to actually like edit your colors the way you want them. But if you click on color correction, automatically you can see, boom. Pencil different, it changes it immediately. The next thing I use auto adjust. You can see intent, you can increase in or reduce intensity depending on you. You just come here, you can go all the way, bring it down, all the way to 100, depending on however you want it. But for this one, let's just use 80. Let's just use the default 80. Color match is a bit different. I come here now, and I bring this picture of me on the timeline. By the time I come to color match, let me just click on, I come to color match, you can see, I can select this part and say, okay, you know what, I want this color style. And I click on OK, I can see, it changed. Because I'm working with this particular color setting. So you can increase, reduce it depending on you. So that's how that one works anyways. But yeah, that's besides the point. The main thing here is color correction, especially for log footage. I think this is probably the reason why they actually made this. Click on it. If I edit in log, and just come straight to saturation. And just click it all the way. And guys, that's it, you're done. You're literally done. Let me show you before and after. Because I like to show before and after, in case you guys don't know. This is the original. This is the log footage here. I didn't do anything. CapCut did. This, my mind is blown. Like, if you guys have ever edited log footage before, you can know how tricky it can be. This might seem minor, but it's absolutely, absolutely amazing to have. And it's simple. Come to animations, and now you have categories. For in, you can see we have trending categories, we have basic, we have light, we have glitch. You never used to have this before. You just had animations, and that was it. And even your saved ones, you can see here. So like, I love this animation so much. I love it. Like, once I saw it, I have to just save it. I think even for combo, when it comes to combo, you also have basic 3D combos and things like that, and cam motion. This was never the case. Everything was just in one cluster all together. Then you have to start sorting through. Let's see the trending ones. Let's see what we have in trending. Yeah, this is a very nice one though. Let's try and load it up and see what we have. Oh, this is good. So you can see. That's cool. So let's apply something else to this one. Let's see the under trending one. Oh, this is a cool one too. Let's try this Google search one and see. So you can see amazing stuff. Let's fix the duration to, let's say, 2 seconds. What duration do we have for this one? 2 seconds also. Yeah, good. So you can see trending videos. Awesome stuff. This is absolutely amazing. We never used to have this. AI dialogue scene is so interesting. We have this picture right here. We have 3 people. But I want to do one thing. I want one of them to talk. But now when you come to AI media right here, you see AI dialogue scene. You can see AI video, AI image. We were talking about AI video earlier, but now AI dialogue scene. You upload your picture. So I'm just going to upload my picture now. I have a picture here, right here. Upload. And it's going to detect the characters. Once it's done detecting the characters, then it's giving me the opportunity to actually choose which one I want to actually say whatever I wanted to say. And it's as simple as that. You can see, I have all. I have character 1, 2, and 3. So you can see the faces. This character 1, character 2, character 3. I'm going to say, hello, subscribe to feed and views. It's as simple as that. I'm going to select the voice I want. Let's say I'm just going to go to let's see, a trending voice. Normal female, no.
Hello, subscribe to vid and views.
Now, I want the male's voice. So let's make it one.
Hello, subscribe to vid and views.
Let's get subscribe. So simple. Click on OK. I think I chose okay. No, let me just the guy in the middle, the Asian man. So yeah, he's gonna say this. I'm just gonna click on generate. Yeah, permission allowed. And yeah, we'll wait for it to cook and we get the results. Credits will be consumed, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, apply. No problem, I know. So you can see it's currently loading here. So let's just wait for it and see what we have. Okay, we are good. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we have actually. So you can see the video right here. Now I'm thinking about it though. I should have chosen a black man. And the reason is because the voice I chose is like British, pretty thick, and let's see.
Hello, subscribe to vid and views.
Oh, okay, so there was motion for all of them, but he's the only one talking.
Hello.
The interesting thing is, like, the movement is really good.
Hello, subscribe to vid and views.
I might not understand the movement of the mouth is really good.
Subscribe to vid and view.
And we're just looking at everything. Yeah, so that's how it works. So you just pick a character. Okay, you know what? I want this guy to do the talking or whatever. Do
Hello.
change. And I said the same guy. So that's probably like generate again to actually switch to this other guy. But yeah, I'm fine with this.
Right.
So Dreamina, this one's relatively new though, but it's actually not new. If you look through my past videos, or if you've been following me for a long time, you've heard me speak about CapCut Dreamina, how amazing and everything it is. Obviously, like I've not been getting the most of them lately. I'm not even gonna lie, but yeah, you can see here it says Dreamina. So what is Dreamina? Dreamina is like CapCut AI image generation, or like it's a separate platform other than CapCut. Anyways, the same company that owns CapCut, ByteDance, also owns that. So I'm going to show you what that is now. So this is Dreamina right here. You can see Dreamina. Start creating and blah blah. So it's primarily for videos and images. They have things like music and other things, but I don't have access to that. So you can see the Omni human audio generation and things. I don't have access to them. I've tried, and I've been using this platform for like over a year now, but still nothing. But yeah, so if I come to my assets now, all the pictures and everything I've created, I can actually access them. So let's say, for instance, now I create like a picture here. I can just come to CapCut, and you can see I have them here. If I set them to favorites anyways, so they're not just like a normal one, they have to be in favorites. So you have to be here. You can see the ones I start. So let's say I want the picture to specifically be here. You can see only caption pass in CapCut, see here, only caption pass in CapCut. Notice how amazing this is. It's a really, really interesting feature if you actually use Dreamina. I know, like for someone like me, occasionally I use it. So you can see only caption this part in CapCut. Yeah, you can check out that video anyways about how to caption only part of your video in CapCut. It's really, really interesting. Like people love that video so much. Yeah, amazing. You can see your photos. So oh yeah, that's true. That's all the categories though. You can see photos. Yeah, you can see photos. Videos. I don't have anything for videos, even music. Oh, I have videos here too. But music, I've been unable to use the music one. I don't know why.